Hey guys, hopefully you can hear me and this video works. We've got a white balloon, and inside this white balloon is 10 yellow BBs, and we're going to blow this balloon up as much as we can until it actually explodes. Until it literally just pops. So here goes. Hopefully this won't take too long. We're 15 minutes. So let's blow this up. Hopefully you can hear. Those are the beads inside. So let's blow this up. Kind of worried that it's gonna go everywhere and fly and then cut my eyes open and shit. So lucky I've got the goggles on. So let's go. Sorry for using the webcam, but I don't know where I've put my HD flip cam. So that's hidden somewhere. So let's blow this bad boy up. There's the first one. Pretty cool. We got the balloon going. There's two. We're getting the balloon quite big now, and we're gonna have to move back. There's three. It's getting kind of big. There's four. We're hoping this isn't one of those safety balloons and this doesn't really explode. Jeez! That is like real tension right in there. There's the BBs. Oh my god! That is so... Oh, that is so gonna explode. Woo! Here goes. Jesus! This is so scary, it's not exploding. As you can see, the balloon is quite large now. Ridiculously large. You can hear the baby pellets. Hopefully you can hear me! Here goes. Oh! I hope that looked good on cam. I think some of the pellets hit me in the hand. The balloon has exploded. That was amazing. I hope I didn't break my microphone. So yeah, that was fun. Oh.